Hey, it's Gina with WTI. And if you love to play with glass like I do, and you're looking for high quality, brilliant colors in order to bring to life your masterpieces, then you're going to love this set of rainbow colors that I got from ILLUCKAI. These come so well packaged. The foam is very thick, and each sheet has an individual piece of foam next to it to ensure that when you get it, it's not going to be busted or cracked. I got the pack that is 6 by 4 inch. And this has been perfect for my little projects. I've been making sun catchers primarily. As you can see, I'm a little obsessed with hexagons. I'm a total beginner. These are actually my third, fourth, and fifth pieces, and I just love the way the glass looks. I solder my pieces at 400 degrees, and these are very heat resistant. I've had zero cracking. These pieces are smooth and transparent. They look brilliant under direct sunlight or just under regular light too. Anything that you do with them, you're going to be so pleased. For your next project, you cannot go wrong with these glass pieces. I enjoy using them so much, and that's my point of view.